Right, we are walking back from the outside of the bar restaurant of Selina. We're at the beach, walking back, showing you a little bit around. And sometimes I see some digital nomads like grabbing the laptop, including I've done it before, or the tablet, and sitting in one of these tables. And you can do it if you want to read your email or watch a video, whatever activity, and you want to be like on the beach but still be comfortable and have the good Wi-Fi. You can be here, and sometimes we go over here. I also love this place. Let's say when it's too hot, too sunny, or when it's raining a little bit, or any other moment that you want to lay down here. If you want to use your laptop or your tablet, or if you're listening to an audiobook, like I love to do, and you have this beautiful view of the beach. And yes, let's walk around the pool and show you around. Oh, the water is so nice and warm. I just love this. And I'm still looking around and people are just chilling, relaxing. And this is more for the kids area. And there's some good shadows, like here. So this tree provides a lot of shadow. Love this kind of chairs. And also, like, I've seen many nomads, and also like we like to sit sometimes here when we order something, like a drink or something to eat. We have a connection, a plug for the electricity. So sometimes we sit over here and chill, at the pool, at the restaurant. And it's just a different vibe than the office. If you haven't seen the co-working space of Selina, I will leave the link somewhere here, or here it will be. I already made a vlog about the co-working space of Selina Jaco, and I loved it, so you can check it out, and it will be also in the description below. Hi, my name is Guido from Nomadic Entrepreneurs, and I'm a Dutch nomad. Consider subscribing to the channel and hit the notification bell if you would like to learn more about Costa Rica digital nomad life and how you can become a digital nomad and work from any place in the world like Costa Rica. Now I'm going to show you about the CoWork, just some high level where the CoWork office is here at the Selina Jaco. And let's go for it. So we go up the stair. And here to our left is the co-work space. You can clean your hands. As you can see, it's dog friendly. You have to use a key to get in. You can get that at the reception. And of course, this is either, you can get the key 3 ways. So either you have a CoLive package like I have, which means you pay upfront for 30 days. So for a full month to stay here, and then the co-working space is included. The second way is you pay only for the co-working office, and I will leave a link of the Selina page of this section where you can find the prices. And so it's a fixed price. I think it's around $100 per month. So that's a second option, or you can just a day pass. Again, check the Selina site for more information, because it can change, and also depending on the location where you are. Of course, prices can be different, and the internet speed can be different depending on where you are. It's different if you're in Latin America or if you're in US or in Europe. So yeah, let me show you also here. This is where yoga and other wellness activities are done. So let me show you around. Yeah. So wellness rules. So here you see usually different people doing yoga or Pilates. Here are just an example of some of the activities. This is Pilates, HIIT training, yoga, some bands workouts. And there's more. Every day there's a different activity. And here are some materials, you know, of course the yoga mats, and I've seen that they clean it on a regular basis, all the yoga mats and everything, so it's very hygiene. And yeah, you can use this space also. I use this space just if I want to do some activity for myself, some fitness activity or something like that, then yeah, you can use it. Like now it's free to use, you know. And also sometimes, you know, you want to have a call, just like maybe with family or something like that, or and then you come out and have the call so you don't interrupt other co-workers. But of course you can get also into the special rooms where you can really, they are already made for conference calls, stuff like that. More private calls, business calls, and yeah, so this is, oh yeah, and let me now show you how close it is to the beach, because this is the part, this is one of the parts that I really, really love. So, okay, let's go. Again, the reception on your right, some of the rooms here on the left. So it's just a minute walk, you know, to the pool. Check it out, how beautiful. And just like this, you know, just take a little break, you know, from the computer, from the laptop, get a smoothie or anything, or just, you know, to get out of your screen and look where you are. You're at the beach. This part is priceless, as mentioned before, you know, either it is from your room or from the office. I mean, I don't need to explain it, but the feeling is just amazing. It speaks for itself. I just have to show you this. There's I don't know if you can see it. For a few hours a day they let the chickens go for a walk and they take care of it, and this I love it. It's so cool, you know, the chickens are just walking around of the whole Selina, and look how cute. I love the part that they have so much respect for the animals, that they take care of it.
Sarap.